Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque P300e R-Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 1.5 petrol plug-in hybrid engine, which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox, and is seen here today in Santorini black. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we will find the premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading along the sides, you'll see further perfectly luxurious features as it sits on a set of 20-inch diamond turned alloys with a gloss dark grey contrast. To the rear, you'll see your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, where you'll also be able to locate your electrically deployable tow bar, which I'm sure is going to intrigue those caravan or equestrian enthusiasts out there. Rear passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony perforated Windsor leather seats, and glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way heated electric driver memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Driver of this vehicle will also enjoy their fully leather heated steering wheel, which also includes lane assist and adaptive cruise control. Advancing over to your 10-inch deployable touchscreen with your lower touchscreen, which is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings. Finalising our journey, we look up to see your fully sliding panoramic sunroof, which engrosses this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.